Welcome back everyone to another exciting tech video. Today, we're diving deep into a brand new smartphone that's been creating a lot of buzz, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Samsung's A series has always been about giving users premium features at a more affordable price, and this time, the company seems to have outdone itself. With a fresh design, powerful performance, and features that rival even some flagship phones, the Galaxy A37 5G is truly shaping up to be a big surprise of 2025. So, let's break down everything this phone has to offer and see if it really has what it takes to beat other brands in its category. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, the Galaxy A37 5G looks sleek, modern, and premium. Samsung has gone for a matte finish at the back that feels comfortable to hold while also resisting fingerprints. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy, giving you the perfect balance of durability and comfort. What stands out here is how Samsung has managed to make a mid-range device look and feel almost like a flagship. With slim bezels and a stylish camera housing, this phone definitely catches attention. Now, moving on to one of Samsung's strongest points, the display. The Galaxy A37 5G comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, offering full HD+ resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That means whether you're scrolling through social media, watching YouTube videos, or playing games, you'll enjoy vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth motion. Samsung's displays are always known for their brightness and color accuracy, and this device is no exception. For content lovers, this is easily one of the best displays in its price range. Performance is the heart of every smartphone, and Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A37 5G with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor. This is a powerful and efficient chip designed for multitasking, gaming, and handling all modern apps with ease. Paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the phone ensures smooth performance, whether you're editing videos, switching between apps, or playing graphic-intensive games. And yes, there's also support for expandable storage, which is a huge plus for those who need extra space. Let's talk about cameras, because this is where Samsung has added some serious upgrades. The Galaxy A37 5G features a triple camera setup at the back. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel lens that captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos.